You like a challenge though. You don't want it to be easy. Alright, Al has completed his coil spring throwing weapon. This is what he has. And here's his target. He's going to try not to hit my box truck, but he probably will. Alright. Oh! First try! You gotta be crapping me. Nice job. I think you gotta get closer. Seems to work closer, or maybe really far. Oh!
So, failed attempt.
Ow.
We need to make it thicker. Very experienced, we can use the metal.
Yeah, we can make 2 knives. Yeah, we can make 2 throwing knives now. Alright, so, Al, we probably should have quenched it or did something, but it broke, so, yeah. Now we have 2 blades. That's pretty cool. So, next video is we're going to make 2 throwing knives. Alright, well, that's it. It was nice while it lasted.
It was cool, but I think we can still make it better.
Probably can. Okay, so we don't know how Al did this, but here's the target. There's the that's impressive. I'm impressed, Al. That's a Christmas miracle is what that is. That's it for life. We got a weld to do. Let's make a new one.